Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so this my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the love and support. On this video, we'll be talking about Skeem Saam that was aired on the 27th May 2025. Rati's paternity tests are back and Thabo wants a divorce. Both Thabo and Maggie, they have been cheated on, so Maggie knows the pain of being cheated on. Thabo asks his mom why he's still with his dad after everything Maputla did to her. Because Maputla cheated not once, not twice, but thrice. So Clement is going to Berry FM for an interview. And Kwaito Yena is stressed because Brabi want to make them look incompetent. The meeting is happening, but Gloria is not coming. Thabo Maputla wants a divorce from his wife, Mapiti Maputla, and his dad doesn't approve it. So John Maputla don't want his grandchildren to suffer because of their parents' decisions. And he also thinks Maggie Maputla is taking Thabo's problem and make it hers. And John thinks Maggie should let Thabo handle his marriage on his own. Because at the end of the day, this is Thabo's marriage, not Maggie. And Leena Maggie Maputla was one in the same spot Thabo is in right now. And she handled her marriage very well. So Thabo Leena must do the same with his. So Clement went to Berry FM for an interview and he was having a conversation with KG. And KG ended up saying things he wasn't supposed to say. So Clement was proud how Thabo handled the situation, not knowing was more deeper secrets that everyone was quiet about until KG apulaskaku. So KG promised Clement to sign the NDA because Tabaja Berry FM ke Berry FM adikweli kanta TEF. Lewatle needs to heal because Mosiber was having a small talk with Paxton since everyone is isolating themselves. But Yena Onana Ori Mosibiadi, she's throwing herself to Paxton. So now Maggie Maputla is back to her senses after having a talk with her husband. And she thinks Thabo must give Mapiti a chance for the sake of Bana. And Thabo, on the other hand, doesn't want to hear anything. The guy checked out after finding out that his wife was cheating on him. So Mapiti is back to TEF since Funali meeting Amaputla. So she locked herself in her office. She's now having a backlash of what was happening in there with Thomas. Thabo became an alcoholic. And Leto, as a big bro, tried to talk to him. He asked Thabo if they sign a prenup when they get married or not. But Thabo said they didn't, they were so young. Which means they are married into community of property. And Mapiti will get half of what he worked for. Thank you so much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.